In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive for client follow-ups in 3 minutes. Let's jump right in. Once you're in Pipedrive, start by heading to Contacts on the left sidebar. This is your hub for everyone you work with. People and organizations are all listed here. It keeps your relationships organized and makes it easy to track your communication history. If you work with a lot of clients, you can quickly spot the one you need by scanning the list or using the built-in search and filters to narrow things down. The goal is simply to land on the right person without fuss. Next, click on the client you want to follow up on. Opening their record brings you into a focused workspace for that contact. Right away, you'll see their essential details: phone number, email address, company, and any deals or recent activity connected to them. This overview helps you confirm you're reaching out with the right context, like remembering when you last talked or what was discussed, so your follow-up feels personal and timely rather than generic. From within this workspace, you're ready to reach out. You have two straightforward options: the Call tab or the Email tab. If you prefer to speak directly, go to the Call tab to place a call using your synced calling setup. Make sure your microphone and calling option are ready, then start the call with a click. A quick pro tip: have a clear purpose in mind: confirming a proposal, checking in on a decision, or setting a meeting. Keep it concise, reference your last touch point, and end with a simple next step so the conversation moves forward smoothly. If email is better for this follow-up, switch to the Email tab. From here, you can write directly within Pipedrive using your synced email account. Keep your subject line clear, mention the last interaction so it's easy to recall, and guide them toward one action, whether that's replying with availability, reviewing a document, or confirming a date. You can use a template to save time or type from scratch if you want something more tailored. Sending from this tab helps keep your threads stored right on the contact's timeline, so everything stays organized without extra work. And that's it. Click Contacts, select your client, and use either the Call or Email tab to follow up instantly from one place. It's fast, it's simple, and it keeps your communication history tidy for the next time you check in. And there you go, that's all.